This video demonstrates how to build and debug for Renesas RISC-V MCU in eSquare Studio. Part 1. Change build settings and build a project in eSquare Studio. Part 2. Debug a project in eSquare Studio. This video uses fast prototyping board for demonstration. Part 1. Build project. Add a variable in the main function. This variable will be used to demonstrate the debug function. Right-click the project name in Project Explorer and select C Project Settings. The CPU, Optimization, Debug, Warnings, Library Generator, Compiler, Assembler, Linker, Objcopy, and Print Size settings can be changed in Tool Settings tab. The include path for header file can be added in Compiler, includes. To change optimization level, select Optimization and choose from the Optimization level list. Toolchain version can be changed in the Toolchain tab. Click Apply and Close to save the current configuration. Rebuild in this dialog does not mean project rebuild, it refers to scanning the project to update editor information. Select Rebuild Index. Build project. The console panel shows build finished with 0 errors message to indicate a successful build. Part 2. Debug project. The jumper configuration for debugging and programming with J-Link. J8, J18 open. J5, J6 shorted pin 2-3. Connect USB Type-C to the target board and the computer. Select Debug Configurations to open the Debug Configuration window. In Debug Configuration window, select Renesas GDB Hardware Debugging. Then click on the existing debug configuration. Select Debugger tab, set J-Link RISC-V as the debug hardware. Under the Debugger tab, go to the Connection Settings subtab. Set J-Link, type as USB. Set Interface, type as CJTAG. Click Apply button to confirm the settings. Proceed to Debugger immediately by clicking Debug button. The debugger can also be started from the workbench in the main screen. Launch the debugger. The display switches to the debug perspective. The program stops at Start. Click Resume button to continue running. Click Resume again if program stops at main function. At the bottom, the program status running indicates program is running. Click on Suspend button to break at current program counter. The program status is changed to suspended. To add a breakpoint, double-click on the line with address in the address pane. The breakpoint is marked with an icon. It can be removed by double-clicking on the icon. To view a global variable, drag and drop it to the expressions view. If the view is not shown, select Window, Show View, Expressions. To watch real-time update of values, right-click the variable and select Enable Real-Time Refresh. Click Resume button to watch the real-time update of values. To stop debugging, click Terminate button. The debugger is disconnected, and debugging is terminated.